If you're looking for a beautiful cigar case to showcase your cigars, you gotta check this out. This is made by this brand, Usewire, and you can hold up so many cigars in this cigar case. So out of the box, arrives everything well packaged. This is the actual cigar case with accessories at the bottom. It comes with 2 humidifiers to keep the right amount of humidity into the cigar box. They're nice, professional, heavy duty, and they stick on the cigar case here. So once you open it, this is the beautiful cigar box made in real wood. It comes also with a remote control and lights, so you can go on and remove the remote from here. Remove the plastic. You can open it up here. As you can see, it's made with real wood and glass here for the door. It also comes here. You can get beautiful pouch to keep your cigars. So it's pretty nice. They give you an extra case inside, and you get, of course, an instruction manual with the charging cable for the lights. And the light is removable, so you can go on and unplug it and charge it. It has a motion sensor, so if you want, you can set it up that with motion turns on. So first thing first, I would definitely remove this and charge it for a little bit. Then I'll put some cigars and show you how it is. The nice thing about the light is that it's rechargeable, so you don't need any cable. It's wireless and it charges in a few hours and it lasts for days. This cigar case is made in premium real wood with glass opening and top, so you can see all your cigars. In front you get a hygrometer to see the right level of humidity. Right now it's normal. I decided to put all my accessories at the bottom, so I have my lighters and all different accessories. Up here I put smaller cigars, and up here the biggest cigars, and it holds up so many. I can probably put like 60-70 cigars. It's massive, and my favorite feature is definitely the fact that here you can put the remote, so at night you can turn on the light. The light is built in. See that in the back, and you can choose to have natural light, white, cold, or warm, and you can set up a timer. You can dim it up or dim it down and turn it off when you don't need it. The nice thing is that it's magnetic, so you can just attach it in front. And let me show you at night how it looks. You can see the top is see-through, made in real glass, and there is a nice handle to carry it, and this is all real wood. And this is the case, Usewire. And this is the brand Usewire. They make premium cigar cases since 1992. I love how it comes with also a travel case with a cigar cutter at the bottom, real leather, and this plastic case. So when you go on a trip or you want to go out with friends, you can easily bring this with you. With the remote, you can turn off the light, turn it back on. You can also have different modes. You have auto mode, night mode. You get, if you turn it back on, you can select if it's on the colder setting, warmer setting, and it's pretty cool because you can see from up too. So it's a beautiful way to showcase your cigars even at night, and if you're in the dark, you can see better your cigars.